and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Alana, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you everything that I packed for a 9-month stay in Nicaragua, hence the sweaty face and frizzy hair. Now, if you're curious about how I got a 9-month job contract here in Nicaragua, I will go ahead and link that video in the cards here. But in this video, I'm just going to be showing you everything that's in my suitcases as I unpack and organize my bedroom. Now, I'm going to start by showing you what's in my technology bag, mostly because this just stays packed all the time, so I'm not really going to unpack it. Okay, this bag will be linked down below along with... Oh, it's going to start raining, isn't it? That thought. Anyways, as I was saying, everything in this bag, including this bag, will be linked down below if you're interested in any of it. Also, I apologize for any background noises. There's no glass on my windows. So this bag is my entire life. In this segment is where I store everything in little compartments. So this is where my camera lives when it's not currently filming. I have these moisture packets to try and help with the humidity here. And then I have my hard drives go in here, all of my extra cords and my extra speaker are in this segment all nice and organized. And then there's more pockets with more cords on either side of this front pouch. So that's really handy. Then in the back of this bag is actually where I keep my laptop. There's a nice laptop sleeve right there. And then if you, oh, I didn't zip that. And then if you open this segment on top, there's like a little drawstring section where I can keep mostly food, because this was my personal item on the airplane. So I have my airplane snacks, sunflower seeds and dried coconut, dried pineapple, and an entire box of my favorite vegan granola bars. Then I also just have my noise-canceling headphones for the plane, and 2 journals. This one I started in 2019, so it's almost finished, not quite, and then this one I brought as a new one to start when I finish this one. Oh, and then in the side pocket here I just have the extender cord for my MacBook laptop charger, and then on this side, totally unrelated to technology, is this Oracle deck by an artist that I follow on Instagram. It's just a bunch of cards that are really pretty with different intentions and meanings, and then a little booklet that kind of explains each card, so I love this thing. And how I like to use this is kind of like journaling prompt inspiration. So let's say I get the card dream, then I would look up in this book what this card means and kind of journal about that and how it reflects to my life right now, which is why I had to bring 2 journals. Okay. Now let's move on to this bag. This is a 40-liter REI backpacking backpack that is perfect size for my carry-on that goes in the overhead bins. So that's what I did. The reason that I like this bag specifically is that you can open it all the way up just like a duffel bag. So at the top here I have my toiletries bag. This was just from Target, and if I didn't use bar soap, I don't think this would work, but because bar soap saves so much space, this is the perfect size for me. This bag is solely full of underwear. Yes, I know, it's extremely large. This bag is full of all of my swimsuits. Because I'm living on the beach, I have like 7 swimsuits in here, so I have one for every day of the week. Some vitamins, a random phone charger that I used on the plane and just shoved in here. And this is my main packing cube of clothes. So in this packing cube, I have all of my t-shirts and pants, and then I have another packing cube in my suitcase that has all my yoga clothes. Okay, and the big boy. I honestly don't remember what all I put in here. So this is basically like Christmas for me. Okay, so this side looks so empty because the tripod that you're currently sitting on was in this part of the suitcase. So just imagine a giant tripod right here. Then I also have my tiny tripod, which is super handy because it's super flexible and I can put it on trees and all kinds of places. A power strip, because if you have a ton of technology and only one outlet, this is an essential travel item. I wish I had a smaller one, you know, because this isn't really practical, but it's what I had from my old apartment and I just saved and reused it. Then of course we brought the hammock. This comes with me everywhere. And same with this, my travel yoga mat. So it folds up really nice and small, and then I can do yoga wherever I go. When I went to Panama, I actually packed my like big regular sized yoga mat in this bag but it made it way overweight. So I decided not to pack that this time, and I'll just use all of the yoga mats that are out in the yoga shala because I literally work at a yoga retreat center now. Oh, this part is just a bunch of toiletries that were more than 4 fluid ounces, so I just shoved them in here. Don't remember what I shoved in here though, so. Oh! We have my keys because they have pepper spray and a bottle opener on them. Toothpaste. Toothpaste, because I'm literally here for 9 months. Some more vitamins. Actually, this isn't a vitamin, this is activated charcoal for in case I get the shit, but you know. Vegan omega-3, my favorite vitamin. Contact solution, because I am blind. And a spare pair of glasses, because I'm blind. Then we have a leave-in conditioner from Lush. I bought this before I went to Panama, and it's not even half gone, so that's pretty impressive, because Panama was a year ago. Then the rest of it is just 3 different types of sunscreen. Face sunscreen, tanning sunscreen, and just regular old good sunscreen. This brand is really expensive. It's like a French skincare brand, but this is the only sunscreen that does not make me break out, so it's totally worth it. Then in here I have some incense from my friend Katie. Thanks, Katie. Just a few packets of tea that were left over at my grandma's house and she didn't want them, so she told me to take them with me. A hat that rolls up like this. So cute. My laundry bag. A mirror to do my makeup. And a clip for when I cut my own hair. See the vlog linked in the cards here. This side is the chaos. Where do I even begin? Okay. We have an entire bag of essential oils, because essentials. We have laundry detergent strips in case I need to hand wash anything in the sink, but there's housekeepers here who do all the laundry, so I don't think this was like necessary. This is just something I always have in my suitcase. And if you're wondering what all these little packets are, they are dehydrated fruit and protein smoothies. So these come with the portable blender that I bought for camping, but I had a bunch of extras and I figured why not bring them because they're perfect and packable. And speaking of leftovers from camping, I brought the rice and lentils that I had left over because, I mean, why not? Then I have these packets of salmon because it's something that's really easy to pack and full of protein. Oh, I brought coffee creamer. Was this an essential? No. Was it just sitting in my grandma's cupboard and not going to get used anyways? Yes, so I brought it. And then I am a firm believer in seasoning, so much so that I put 3 seasoning blends in my suitcase because you can make anything taste better as long as it's seasoned correctly. So we have Cajun Spice, 21 Seasoning Salute from Trader Joe's, and Ranch Blend from Trader Joe's. And I have a Life Straw. Again, kind of like the laundry detergent, it's not necessary to have this here. I mean, I have filtered water, it's just, I always travel with these 2 things. And same with this microfiber towel. I just take this everywhere because you never know when you're going to end up in a hostel where they charge you to use a towel. Then this is that other packing cube that I was talking about that is just full of all of my shorts and sports bras. A cute hat. It has little mushrooms on it. Some resistance bands in case I get the urge to get my heart rate up. My sarong from Thailand. This is both going to be a wall decoration and also a swim cover-up. And even some Christmas lights. I really love red Christmas lights. I had these in my old apartment, so it just kind of makes me feel like home whenever I have red Christmas lights. And then this is an entire bottle of just tea tree oil, because tea tree is my favorite essential oil. Then this is actually a backpack by Patagonia that folds down into its own little pocket, so that's really convenient. I didn't need to use this to pack, but it's a great little grocery bag if I need to go to the grocery store or anything. And then another non-essential item was this blanket. I use this as my yoga blanket when I'm doing like yin yoga, so yeah, another little thing to just make it feel a little bit more homey here. Also, these are the only 2 pairs of shoes that I brought for the entire trip because I live on a beach now and it's super muddy, so why do I even need shoes? Wow, my hair is a frizz ball. Okay, ignoring that, I just finished setting up my bedroom, so I'm going to give you guys a little tour. Okay, so when you first walk in the door, the first thing you see, ginormous bed. Then off to the side, there's a tripod that you guys were sitting on. On this windowsill, I've just laid out all of my essential oils and my seashell and rock collection. Hey, Dad. Then over here, I just hung up all my towels, my dirty laundry bag, my 2 favorite swimsuits, my sarong, and the sweater that I probably won't wear again until I take an airplane again. But I'm glad I have it. Then over here is my closet. So I was really smart and I brought command strips. Yeah, they don't work when it's super humid. So Christmas lights just got strung on top of the closet. Hey, family! We have my little mushroom hat, my hanging clothes, my folded clothes, my suitcase that I won't need, my blankets and resistance bands, the extension power cord, laptop, and more toiletries. My bathroom is shared with my co-manager, but we have a little sink, essentials, and actually the shower is outside. So if you go back outside, the shower is over here. Hello! And then while I'm at it, I guess I'll just do a little tour of the place. So over here in the staff only, that's the kitchen. Very excited about that. And then, yeah, this is what a property looks like post-hurricane. I think I'm going to end this video here. Sorry for the poor quality video tour, but I'm just excited and I wanted to give an overview of the place. But I'm here for 9 months, so if you want to see more of what this retreat center looks like, be sure to subscribe down below and stick around for more videos in the future. Hopefully more videos after it's cleaned up post-hurricane. But anyways, I appreciate you guys for watching to the end of this video, and I hope to see you again in the next one. Bye!